Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com. My name is Henry, and today's start of the day we will be looking at FTSE, the UK index. This is a 100 minutes chart, short-term path of the index. We can see right here that the rally from 6534, it looks to be in the form of an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It looks very nice as an impulse. Subdivision wise is extended 3 with another 5 waves within the wave 3 in the red here, and also you can see momentum divergence here on wave 5, which is typical in a 5 waves move. Okay, and then now we are looking for a correction here in the wave P, okay, to correct the entire 5 waves up. And this correction now, it looks to be taking the form of a flat, right? It's a regular flat in which you got wave A, you got a wave B, and then now you will have another leg lower with C. Okay, and so now expect another 5 waves down from here. Okay, expect another 5 waves down from here within the wave C, and we ended with one of C, and so expect a little bit more downside to finish this C leg before potentially FTSE do one more push on the upside to finish an A, a B, a C to the upside. So it's a zigzag rally from this low here. All right, so potential target on the downside, if you measure retracement, is going to be this area. Okay, so between 50% to 76.4% retracement, 6769, 6646 is a possible target area for the C leg before ending the P, and then from there, as far as 6534 low holding, then we can have another leg to the upside, C leg, equal in length to this A leg here. All right, now if this pivot gives up, if this pivot fails, so that means the FTSE and the world indices already start the next leg lower, right? And if that's the case, then these 5 waves can be a part of a flat, okay, a C wave of a flat from somewhere else. So here's the 4-hour chart of the FTSE. So let's say if this looks like a 5 waves like we saw in the 1-hour chart here. So let's say that it fails to hold and rally like this, and instead just drop lower like this. So that means that this 5 waves is a part of a flat from here. So you got an expanded flat A, B, C, and then turn lower, right? So that will be in the alternate if it fails to hold above 6534. But the primary view is calling for the index to extend higher one more time in the C leg, as far as this pullback here stays above 6534. We like one more leg to the upside in the FTSE, okay, to finish the C leg and also to finish the P correction or the P rally. All right, so for further updates, you can check our member area. We update the 1-hour chart 4 times a day, and we also provide trial 14 days for free. So see you all again tomorrow.